Hello dear friends. Welcome back to our YouTube channel Techno Yara. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create any image just from text. Yes, it's that simple. And not only that, you can also convert that image into a video, using just one tool, no need for any other software. So without any delay, let's get started.
First, open the official website of Runway AI. The link is given in the description box. Clicking on that will take you directly to the homepage. On the homepage, you'll see some amazing images and videos created using AI. With this tool, you can create almost anything you imagine. To start using Runway, you need to log in or sign up. If you're visiting for the first time, click on Get Started.
Now you'll see the login and sign up options. Since we're new, let's click on Sign Up for Free. Enter your email address and click on Next. You can also log in using your Google or Apple account. Next, create your account. Enter a username. Choose a password and confirm it. Enter your first and last name, then click Create Account. A verification code will be sent to your email. Enter the code and click Validate. Click Skip if any optional steps appear and wait a few seconds.
You'll now see your Runway dashboard. Here, you'll get 125 free credits to start with. These credits are used when you generate images or videos.
Let's create our first AI image. In the text box, type what you want to generate. For example, a young girl sitting at a desk, working on a laptop in a cozy room with books and a coffee mug nearby, soft, natural light coming from the window. Click Ask and wait a few seconds. Boom. Your image is now ready. If you want changes, just modify the prompt and generate again. To download it, click the Download button. You can also view the full prompt by clicking on the prompt details. Want to animate this image? Just type, Animate this image and click Ask. It will take a few seconds to process. And here's your animated video. You can play it, check if it looks good, and download it using the Download button. By Add Image, you can add any image from your computer or smartphone and change the looks, dress, or background, etc. You may change it in animation also. For example, I want to animate this image, so add your image and write a prompt Animate this. Now, wait and watch. As you can see, animation video are ready now. So download the video. We just created one image and 2 videos, and now we're left with 70 credits. You can buy more credits by upgrading your plan. Runway AI also offers other amazing features like private folders, text to audio, video editing, in-painting, and more. If we cover everything in one video, it will be too long. So we'll make more videos step by step.
That's it for today's video, friends. We hope you learned something new about this amazing tool, Runway AI. This was just one part of what it can do. There's so much more, and we'll explore that in our next videos. If you have any questions, comment below. We'll reply and maybe make a full video to help you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Techno Yara for more such AI and tech tutorials. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.